Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to our English class. How are you today, students? Are you fine? Very good. I hope all of you in a good condition. Okay, we are going to talk about a report text. Still in the report text. Okay, this is the fifth meeting. Okay, before we are going to start to talk about the report text, okay, I want to remind you to wash your hands and always wear your face mask. If you cook, you have to cook etiquette, yeah, and you must to keep your social distancing. Always use disinfectant and don't forget to take healthy food always, right? Yeah, okay. Before we are going to discuss about report text, the fifth, okay, it's better we say basmalah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Right. Okay, our learning objective, tujuan pembelajarannya, we will learn to obtain and share information about things, animal, natural phenomenon, or social phenomenon. Jadi yang akan kita pelajari adalah kita akan um, mendapatkan atau memberikan informasi tentang sesuatu, tentang binatang, tentang fenomena alam dan sosial, fenomena sosial. Okay, and get the general knowledge about them. Dan kita akan mendapatkan pengetahuan umum darinya. Ya, seperti yang sudah beberapa minggu ini kita mempelajari tentang report text, saya akan mengulang kembali dan mengingat kembali apa itu report text. Ya, report text is a text that presents information about something, animal, plant, things, or nature as it is. It is a result of a systematic observation and analysis. Jadi suatu teks yang menyatakan memberikan informasi tentang sesuatu apa adanya, ya. Sesuatu misalnya hewan, tanaman, benda, atau alam dan merupakan hasil dari observasi dan analisis yang sistematis. Jadi report text kita buat karangannya bukan sembarangan. Jadi kita perlu ada observasi dan survei baru kita bisa membuat report text, right? Okay, next. Nah, differential between report text and descriptive text. In a report text, general objectnya, various example, rabbit, jasmine plant, okay, and tend to be objective. How about descriptive text? In this descriptive text, specific object, yeah, not general object. For example, my favorite game, Upin my idol, and in descriptive text, they tend to be subjective. Okay, it's different with the report text. Okay, the social functionnya. Okay, every text in English have the social function. Okay, it's the same in the report text. Ya, jadi setiap teks dalam bahasa Inggris memiliki social function. Begitu juga dengan report text. Okay, in the social function in the report text is the present information about something, animal, plant, things, or natural as it is. Jadi menampilkan informasi atau mendeskripsikan sesuatu apa adanya. Itu seperti apa? Misalnya hewan, binatang, benda-benda atau alam sekitarnya. Okay? Nah, how about generic structure of the report text? Okay, in general structure report text is part of two. Yeah, the first part is general classification. Okay, definisinya adalah classify or define the object. Jadi mengklasifikasi atau mendefinisikan objek. Contohnya, gorilla is primate. Ya. In the second part is description or describe object in term of its. Okay, what is it? They are part of function. Jadi bagian dari fungsinya, ya. Jadi in report text ada dua. Yang pertama, kita harus tahu definisinya, general classification-nya, dan description-nya, ya, mendeskripsikan apa dia. Yang pertama adalah part of function, bagian dari fungsinya. Kemudian habit-nya, kebiasaan. Habitat, diet or food, makanannya. Way of survive, cara dia bertahan hidup. Okay, the language feature-nya, ya. In report text, the language feature always using simple present tense. Okay, don't forget. Jadi language feature-nya dalam report text selalu menggunakan simple present tense. For example, cow is a mammal. And then using general object, ya, menggunakan objek secara umum. Misalnya, grasshopper is an insect, ya. Okay, not only grasshopper is an insect, okay, there are many animal are an insect. Okay, jadi banyak binatang-binatang lain yang merupakan binatang serangga. Apa saja selain grasshopper? Ya, banyak. And then the third is using technical term. Okay. Lalu setelah kita menggunakan objek secara umum, kita menggunakan objek secara khusus, ya, dipersempit lagi. Rabbit is pet, okay? Dan yang terakhir, using of passive voice, ya. Selain dia menggunakan present tense, dia juga menggunakan passive voice. Contohnya, Komodo is found in Komodo Island, okay? Okay, let's check your understanding by doing the exercise in the links below. Ya, jadi untuk memahami pemahaman kamu tentang passive voice, oke, saya sudah menyediakan dua link di sini. Oke, the first link for 9A until 9G, and the second is link for 9H until 9K. Okay, only click this link and click again, Chrome, and oh, sorry. Okay, you find the internet, and please fill in the choice, the multiple choice. After that, you read and answer the question carefully, ya. Jadi kamu baca dan jawab pertanyaan dengan baik. Okay? I'll be waiting for your tasks, your exercise. Don't forget to do this job, okay, for this day. Okay, I think that's all for today. I hope you enjoy study English with me. Goodbye. Assalamualaikum. See you next time.